lighter and more friendly with the environment. Our company is developing new technology to produce alloys that has high recycled content in order to introduce in the market a new solution that being able to achieve as maximum as possible the recycled content. We are able to look or to select the right alloys to being able to not lose performance of the alloy and keep increasing the recycled content. We saw that it's possible if we select the right alloy for each application. Of course, this is clearly the CO2, the environmental responsibility of the society. So the circularity economy, so if we increase the recycled content, the reality of the recycled content in the product that we are produce is the right way to contribute to the society. Yes, of course. In fact, it's good because we are working in the company in so many electric projects. Some of them including aluminium with the technology that we are improving in the SALEMA, and we expect it to be able to drive this type of car. We'll be really happy to contribute the new advance in this way of produce the vehicles.